Foorah. Rice flour paste. A side dish from Sierra Leone. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the rice flour in a bowl with about 1 cup of water, saving about 1 tablespoonful of the flour for coating the balls. Step 2. Bring the rest of the water to boil in a saucepan. Add the sugar and stir until dissolved. Step 3. Pour the flour paste gradually into the simmering water and cook, stirring all the time until it forms a thick paste as the rice granules swell. Step 4. When the rice is thoroughly cooked and contains no raw flavor, allow to cool slightly, and remove tablespoonful of the mixture. Form them into balls and coat with the rest of the rice flour. Step 5. Serve cold. Step 6. Milk may be added to the paste during cooking to improve the food value. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.